Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update on Tropical Storm Enteng with international name Yagi. And this is for this Monday morning, September 2, 2024. It's already 2:02 in the morning. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000 and Naga College Foundation. Well, let's start with our update. It looks like we have an emergency situation here in Naga City, as the rivers are near overflowing, or maybe there are already some areas where the river has reached the road, okay, and also in various sections of various parts of Bicol Region, including Samar has experienced this heavy rainfall brought about by this tropical depression Enteng, which is now a tropical storm. And here's the latest track. As of 11 p.m. last night, it emerged over the coastal waters of Garcitorena. The system made landfall around 8 to 10 or around 7 to 8 p.m. over Catanduanes, but it's very fast, okay, because it has accelerated to 32 kph, and it's now moving swiftly across Siruma. And as of this time, it's approaching the Calaguas Island. So if we are going to draw a red dot, it's currently here. And we are now on the backside of the system. That's why we are experiencing some winds because of the southwest, the enhance of the southwest monsoon. And also the winds from the intensifying center of this tropical storm. That's why it has been upgraded to 65 kph, and we are now hearing gusts of up to 60 or 70 kph outside. But here in Naga, it's still around 40 to 50, and the rainfall has resumed after that very heavy torrential rainfall that occurred between 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. and it has generated 300 millimeters of rainfall, with 1 hour reaching a high of 70 to 80 millimeters. So that's really will cause a major flood in a certain area where we're in. There's this kind of heavy downpour, and right now it's fast moving towards the eastern portion of Pulilio. And later this morning, it will be very near Pulilio, and it's likely to move north. And some of the computer models are making landfall here, but our track is making landfall over Isabela and will traverse the eastern sections of Cagayan, moving out into northern Cagayan area. That will be on Tuesday, 8 a.m. September 3. So it will make landfall here over the area of Isabela or northern Aurora this evening, okay, because it has accelerated to 32 kph and it's becoming more compact. That's why we are now experiencing some increased winds of 20 to 50 kph in some areas. Particularly over Partido, there might be some winds reaching a high of 70 to 80 kph gustiness. So please take all necessary precautions. So if we take a look at the zoom out track, it looks like it will pass over the Balintang Channel, over the coastal waters of Ilocos Region or Ilocos Norte in the morning of Tuesday or tomorrow morning, okay? And then it will move out of the Philippine Area of Responsibility on Wednesday evening, okay, because it is expected to slow down and is likely to become a typhoon when it reaches the area of the West Philippine Sea outside of Par. So it is expected to move out of the Philippine Area of Responsibility Wednesday evening, okay. So if we take a look at the all Asian agencies, most of them are tracking this system towards the Cagayan Valley area, the coastal areas, and some, like the Hong Kong Observatory, is making it landfall. Same with our track. Our track is somewhere here, the Weather Philippines track. So that's the scenario of all Asian agencies. And if we take a look at the fast animation from Weather Nerds, this is their latest loop up to 2 or 1:45 a.m. this morning. And as you can see, the heavy rainfall has moved out of Camarines. The torrential rainfall has moved out of Naga, and it's now affecting Camarines Norte and southern Quezon. But we are still experiencing moderate to heavy rains because of the southern circulation of this tropical storm. Okay, so if we take a look at the latest now if you take a look at the zoom in satellite animation beginning around 2 or 4 p.m. where the rain has begun had begun here in Bicol Region. So these are thunderstorms, okay? Multiple thunderstorms ahead of the storm that brought very heavy downpour across the Bicol Region. And then later on, around 10 to 12 midnight, the main circulation of the storm has passed here, and then the system has managed to become organized, but the rainfall is still heavy. Although the torrential rain has departed our region, there are still heavy rains that we are experiencing right now, and we expect this to move away mid-morning, okay, or around sunrise this morning. So let's hope that it will continue to accelerate towards the northwest. Here's the forecast of the European model between 12 midnight to 6 a.m. this morning. You can see that the heavy rainfall will depart parts of Camarines Sur, and it will just affect the areas of 1st District of Camarines Sur, Ragay, Del Gallego, and also Southern Quezon, Northern Quezon as well, and Camarines Norte, that area with violet is around 170 millimeters. Here in Naga, it will drop down to 13.9 millimeters between now to 6 a.m. So we expect around 6 a.m. or 7 or 8, the rain will start to die down. So let's hope that it will be sooner than later. And if we move this 12-hourly or 6-hourly rainfall of the system, it looks like it will track towards Isabela and Aurora. That will be 3 p.m. this afternoon until 9 p.m. tonight. And then it will track across Kalinga and Apayao, and also parts of Cagayan. And then it will exit Ilocos Provinces. So the rainfall will persist there between the evening of Monday or tonight until early morning of Tuesday, and during the mid-morning it will affect Ilocos Provinces, including particularly Ilocos Norte, Lawag, and then in the evening of Tuesday there is still the southwest monsoon affecting Lawag and some areas of western Luzon, but it's not so strong because of the fast movement of the system. And on Wednesday, it will move out of the West Philippine Sea. Wednesday, it will move out of the Philippine Area of Responsibility. So that's the scenario right now. Okay. And by Thursday, there might be some monsoon rains again over the western sections of Luzon, as the system will slow down over the West Philippine Sea. So Metro Manila will also experience some rainfall if we move this to a 24-hour rainfall accumulation. So if we move to Wednesday and Thursday, there might be occasional monsoon rains over the western sections of Luzon. Okay, and also on Friday and on Saturday it will start to die down. So that's the rainfall for the next 3 days. And for our rainfall amounts here in Naga City in our weather station, it's currently, since yesterday, the storm total is 306.8 millimeters. And for the day, or since it's already 2 a.m. of Monday, it's already 21.1 millimeters. The rain rate or the rain intensity is currently at 19.8 millimeters. It's considered as a heavy rainfall right now. Winds is around 19 or 20 kph, gusting up to 51 kph. Okay, and it's blowing from the southwest. Okay, so that's the weather station here at our headquarters, Typhoon 2000. And if we take a look at other weather stations, it's still the same, reaching 300 millimeters. We're not going to show it to you anymore since it's all the same. The values, the amounts, only a few decimals higher or lower. Okay, so this is really a rain event that could cause massive flooding in low-lying areas of the Bicol region, particularly here in Naga and Camarines Sur, where we are still experiencing this very heavy rainfall. For the wave heights, it's currently around 3 meters, more than 3 meters here over the East Philippine Sea, northeast of Bicol, because of the passage of tropical storm Enteng. And while the rest will be between 1 to 2 meters. Okay, so please take all necessary precautions. Avoid fishing out to sea. And look at that. On Tuesday, it will pass over. The wave heights will increase up to 4 meters up to the Balintang Channel. And when it reaches the West Philippine Sea, that will be on Wednesday, it will become a typhoon, and the wave heights will be higher than 3 meters. Okay, so that's the latest for this Monday. So please take all necessary precautions. I know that the city government of Naga has declared no classes, no work today because of the massive flooding occurring in all parts of Naga City. Here in our subdivision, there's already some flooding flowing. Okay, backflow. So let's hope and pray that this rainfall will start to die down in the next few hours. Again, take care, everybody, and we will survive this storm. Again, this is Mike Padua, and good night, good morning, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.